Alright guys, what is going on? It's your boy Joe Cerritos back at it with another hemp review. And you know what? I actually gotta get my cart real quick. If I'm not mistaken, give me 1 second. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I have to get, well, I'm gonna use either one of these, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna use my ooze. Cause super excited about this, guys. Farm Life. It has some new cards that I was looking at. Shout out to Farm Life for sponsoring this video. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down below for their Instagram and their website. But I got a package today from Farm Life. They sent me like in a little pouch type envelope type thing. You don't want to see this. They sent me some. This one's a pre-roll. I'll show you that in a second. And this is the like. I have no doubt that their pre-rolls are awesome, but this is what I'm really excited about. Let me see. I'm gonna get it like. Yeah. So, strawberry cough, gelato. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm super excited to try these out. Shout out to Farm Life for sponsoring this video. But oh my god, guys, the carts look freaking amazing. Like, look at that. Look how beautiful like the artwork is, the design on here. Let me see how thick they are. Oh my god, they're so thick, dude. Like, usually the CBD oil is so thin where you can just move it around so quickly. But yeah, let's take a quick look at the pre-rolls. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna show off this real quick. As you can see, I'm gonna leave a link down below, but I want y'all to check it out. Their link on there on the bottom, if you can see that. Y'all want to pause that and check that out. But I am gonna leave a link down below so y'all can check them out. Definitely super excited. I believe what they sent me here is the king size, I believe. Let me open this up real quick. How do I tear this? Good thing I have a knife. Oh, I'm so sorry. Forgot to zoom that back in. But good thing I have a knife to open this one up. So I just want to check these out. Get all this stuff away. So yeah, this one is. Let me see if I can see that. The glare from the thing. I'm sorry. It's cherry wine king size pre-roll. Less than 3% CBD. It's not okay. Ooh. It's a big ass pre-roll. Oh. I like that. Nice. Thanks guys for sending this out to me. Shout out to Farm Life. I'm gonna see if I can play out this one. This one, I never heard of this one before. It's called Magic Bullet. But I guess they're king size, and let me see. I don't know if it says how much is actually rolled inside of it. Let me check. Yeah, it doesn't say how much is in there, but let me show y'all. Y'all can see this. Magic Bullet, Farm Life. I'm definitely gonna try this out later. Probably post me smoking these on the Instagram, on my Instagram or whatever. Definitely want to save these for when I'm chilling. So yeah, I know what I want to try for the video is are these two. I don't know if I should do these separately. I'm probably gonna do them separately. But yeah, I'm gonna try the gelato first. Wow, super excited, guys. I have no idea. Like I've been trying to find a good cart company for the longest time, and haven't found a good CBD cart. The Pineapple Express one. There was a company that had Pineapple Express that was pretty good. Let me see if this one's any good or not. Get that. Let me see if I can see that. Come on. There it is. Look how thick it is though. Look how slow that thing. Oh my god, yes. Okay. I don't know if you know anything about carts or like the one is THC. Oh, what the hell is that? There's some like shatter in the bottom. Like it looks like it's. I don't know what that is, but that looks cool. It looks like a snowflake. Wow. Let me see if I can zoom in on this actually. Let me see what this is. I don't know if you can you see that? See that little? It has a little like snowflake type thing on there. Um, Let me see what setting I have this on. All right, so it's at 3.8 on my ooze. It's a rose gold one. So let me try this out and see. Sorry, I have my incense on. It's like smoking in my face. Let me turn this off. Cause I want to taste this. I don't want to taste the incense in my mouth. But so yeah, let's try this out, guys. I'm super excited. Shout out to Farm Life. Appreciate y'all, guys. Oh my God, gelato. I love gelato. Oh shit, dude! You get some freaking smoke out this thing. Oh my, dude, and it tastes delicious, bro. Oh, I need to turn it down a little bit. That's way too much smoke. I feel like I'm wasting it. Okay, I'm gonna put it at like 3.4. Let's try this again, dude. I love this one so far. With that first hit, like, I think this might be my favorite CBD cart. I'm gonna try this again. Wow, 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 dude. Like, this tastes like almost as good as the THC. And I believe these are full spectrum. Let me see. Yeah, they're full spectrum. Wow. Relax, smile. Yeah, relieve stress. The gelato's a hybrid, and it has below 3%. Um, it's full spectrum CBD distillate, natural and cannabis terpenes. Oh my God, yeah, I'm definitely gonna reorder one of these. This is gonna be my go-to CBD cart from now on, guys. Oh my God, this is awesome. Uh, Super satisfied so far with the gelato. Uh, I'm gonna I'm gonna try the other one because, and I was gonna do separate videos, but I'm just gonna do all this in one because oh my God, I can't wait. I can't just start up a whole new video and just farm life. You outdid yourself with this. Oh my God, guys, if y'all smoke carts and y'all are looking for a CBD cart, look no further. You found it. All right, so now I'm gonna try the strawberry cough. Oh my God, I can't even imagine how this is gonna taste. Now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and try my other vape because I'm curious on how this looks. So I have my M9 that has double-sided, or it has like the pod and it has the regular. So shout out to Relaxo Tech for sending me this one. But oh my God, super excited, guys. Look at that. Let me see if I could do this right. Can y'all see that? It has like crystals and like snowflakes inside that, like some kind of shatter. I don't know how to describe that. Come on, zoom in on me. Okay, let me turn this on. Okay. So it's on the lowest setting so far. I'm gonna try this out. Let's see how slow this is. So this one's a little thinner than the other one. It's a little. Wait, let me see how this shatter looks. Yeah, it's definitely something other than oil in there. Let's go ahead and try this one out. So this one's strawberry cough, and let's try this out. It leaked a little bit on my tongue. Tastes good, guys. I'm gonna put this on the other pen because I don't know what's going on with this cart. Just want to make sure it's not too hot or anything. Because I think the only carts I've tried are Funky Farms and this other brand that I can't remember from the top of my head. Oh, way better. Yeah, definitely way better. Oh my God, you get so much smoke out this thing. Wow. Definitely, you could taste the strawberries. Yeah, definitely. I think this one is, if I'm not mistaken, this is also full spectrum. This one's a sativa. Um, energize, uplift, focus. So that's what it. This one's supposed to be. It's supposed to be energizing, uplifting, and be able to focus on your work. And the other one was relax, smile, and it helps with stress. So both of them are awesome. Let me try this one again. It doesn't catch it on the camera, but like I took a little. I didn't hold it for too long, and I still got a good amount of smoke. Wow, guys! Shout out to Farm Life, guys. I appreciate y'all for sending this to me. Oh my god, this is absolutely best CBD cart I've tried. Um, and the other one I got from I can't believe I forgot the name of it. Um, oh, it's Nam Wellness. They have the half gram. Um, what's it called? Pineapple Express. But these definitely have a little bit. They have some good flavor to these, whatever. Like so, yeah, guys. Wow, awesome. Definitely gotta try these, guys. I'm gonna leave a link down below for their Instagram and their website. So yeah, guys, thanks everyone for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.